we're going to tackle about the conic sections.
And give definitions, standard forms, and real-life examples. So, watch and learn.
Conic section or double right cone or simply are formed by double knock cone with a plane. Composed of 4 types of conic curves: circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. First, circle. It's made from a plane, intersect a cone parallel to its base. Second is ellipse. A plane intersect a cone at an angle to its base.
Third is parabola, a plane intersecting a cone at an angle parallel to the slant edge. And the last is hyperbola, a plane intersecting both halves of a double cone but not passing through the apex.
The first topic is circle. So, let us first know what is circle. A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. The standard form of circle is quantity of x minus h squared plus quantity of y minus k squared equals to r squared.
The second topic, ellipse. Set of points such the sum of the distance from two fixed points is constant. The ellipse is horizontal. The standard form is quantity of x minus h squared over a squared plus quantity of y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. If the ellipse is vertical, the standard form is quantity of x minus h squared over b squared plus quantity of y minus k squared over a squared equals 1.
So our third topic is parabola. So what is parabola? A parabola is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the focus and a fixed line called the directrix. Okay. If the parabola opens upward, the standard form is the quantity of x minus h squared equals 4c times the quantity y minus k. If the parabola opens downward, the standard form is the quantity of x minus h squared equals negative 4c times the quantity of y minus k. So if the parabola opens towards the right, the standard form is the quantity of y minus k squared equals the 4c times the quantity of x minus h. And if the parabola opens towards to the left, the standard form is the quantity of y minus k squared equals negative 4c times the quantity of x minus h.
Our last topic is hyperbola. What is hyperbola? A hyperbola is a pair of open curves defined as the focus of all points such that the difference of the distances of each point in the set from 2-point fixed points known as the foci is constant. If the hyperbola is horizontal, the standard form is quantity of x minus h squared over a minus quantity of y minus k squared over b squared. If the hyperbola is vertical, the standard form is y minus k squared over a squared minus quantity of x minus h squared over b squared is equals to 1.
In real life, we can see examples of these conic sections, such as this basketball court.
In a basketball court, we can see examples of conic section. The logo at the center of the court is a circle. The 3-point line can be considered as a parabola and a hyperbola. The design found in the basketball is a hyperbola. We can also see various real-life examples of conic sections everywhere. The Marikina Sports Center is an example of an ellipse, same as football field in other countries. In this example, we can apply the concept of conic sections and geometry.
Okay na? Okay na?